Good morning, traders. Eugene here from Genius Traders. Thank you for joining me for yet another weekly forex forecast. This week I'll be looking at the pairs such as AUD USD, JP, GBPUSD, Nasdaq, USD CAD, as well as CHF JPY. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So we're gonna start with AUD USD. That's the 1 hour time frame. Obviously this was our supply zone, right? I mean demand zone, which is like our buy zone. We entered somewhere around here, and I believe that the market will keep on climbing this week until Thursday, when we get the Fed meeting release. When we get the Fed news, that's when I think the market will start collapsing again. So in the meantime, for the next four days or so, or 3 days and a half, we might see something like the market, climbing all the way to 0.66. Obviously first target being 0.653. The run around somewhere around here, right, mid target, last target. So obviously we've got targets all along the way on this pair. We're gonna hit those hopefully and move to selling after the news release, right? The next one is the pound US dollar, GBPUSD. So with this one, guys, we just broke out of this trend line here, and we might see something like this. Just give me a second while I look for the correct indicator. So this is what we might get. Maybe a move down here to 112,700 before we can get a move to this target here at 120. So look for something like this, a retest here, sorry about that, a retest there before we can get any move to the upside. So that's that on the pound US dollar. Next is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is the same as obviously this is the US stock, so whatever happens on the Fed meeting will affect the Nasdaq. So in the meantime, right, as we've seen on Friday, we got like a nice bullish candle. In the meantime, I think this would just continue to 11,850, maybe have a false break if this confluence of resistance doesn't hold, round about here at 11,850, or maybe we might go all the way to 112,800, but I doubt that would happen. By this, that would mean that we will be the pair will just climb for about 1,500 pips from now, which is a lot. So yeah, next one here, CAD. So USD CAD, we've got a potential top sell here. Let me just go to the daily, the 4 hour time frame. Right, so here's the potential top sell coming in. We've got this nice trend line here, right? And this trend line, okay, it meets the horizontal resistance line around here, right? Which will be your supply zone. So if we can get a move higher, all right, all the way around here, and maybe we can get like a proper sell, maybe to 134 or somewhere there, maybe around here somewhere. All right, jeez, just right, yeah, okay, so around somewhere here, we might get something like that. If this happens, this would be a top sell, because this would mean that less risk in selling. However, the pair could still fall from here. Next, it's CHF JPY. So CHF JPY, we've been eyeing it since last week, and so far I believe that right now might be a good time to sell, instead of waiting for, you know, a break below here and sell at the supply zone. Because if you look here, you will see that this is a resistance zone, right? And maybe let me put another one here, right? So we've got like two resistance zones, which is also a supply zone here and here. So the pair is basically below that zone. Like if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see this. All right, so you can see here, this was a resistance zone. Market went above, tried to break, went back inside. However, we've got this falling trend line here, right? So this trend line here, as long as it does not break higher, then I believe that Swiss franc JPY will continue falling down, right, from this zone. So yeah, that's it for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.